everyone, it's Veronica, and in the next 2 minutes I'll show you how I set up my projects, both my professional projects and also my play or demo projects. So let's get started. So what I have here, all my projects are different. Clients are different, they have different needs, so I don't necessarily have a storyline template that I start off with because everything's unique. However, I have some folders that are my project folders. This one here is my professional work folder, and you can see that it's set up with an O2 at the beginning because all of my client folders start with an O2 in my file structure. And also here I'm just ready to put in my client name into the folder. So inside of this folder you can find these subfolders. I have an admin folder where I put in quotes and other administrative documents that might be needed. This second folder is where I add in all of the source files that the client has given me, whether it be storyboards, content, emails, or anything like that that is important for the project. In the next one, I have my design and storyboards folder where I put in the different documents that are related to design before development. You can see that in each of these folders I also have a pre-made archive folder because projects get messy and I like to be very tidy and make sure that I'm always working with the most up-to-date document. So I have an archive folder so that I still keep everything. My fourth folder here is my dev folder where of course I put in my storyline source files, all my media folders, which I can go into this one and show you that here I have that divided into video, audio, and graphics even further into client images, the things that the client gives me, any Illustrator or PowerPoint files, and then final graphics, the one that actually go into the project. And I'll go back out here, and this one, my shared folder, is once it comes time to share the SCORM published file or the source file, this is the folder that I use for that. I also just very quickly have a challenges folder set up. So I participate in the eLearning Heroes weekly challenges, not every week, once in a while, and I have this folder set up already so that I can get started right away and I have the things that I need. You can see that this one is much simpler, of course, because they are much smaller projects, but every time I participate in a challenge or I have a new project that I'm starting, I just come in here and copy this folder, I paste it to where I need to save it, and then I go in and change the name. So that's my project setup for both professional and personal projects. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you at the next Storyline 2-minute tip.